Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix TikTok live stream when it's suspended. So open your TikTok app and you have to go through your profile icon and go to three horizontal lines and open it. For more settings, you have to click to setting and privacy. So scroll down to find report a problem. So when you click to report a problem, next will be this. It will be loading. So when it's load, so there is facing a problem, so you have to find live. There is no option, it's suspended for live, so you have to search for, tap to search and type right here for live is suspended. So you have to search for live is suspended. When you type the live is, so you will be right over below leave is suspended. You have to click to leave is suspended. So leave is suspended, so your problem resolved. So I will click to no. So you have to click to no and need more help. And when you need more help, tell us your feedback. So you have to tell us your feedback, what your problem will you facing. So I will write here, I am suspended from TikTok live. Kindly unbind my TikTok live that can show me to create content. Thank you. So you have to tell us your feedback, your problem, and you have to click to submit button. So it will submitting and it will be resolved and get to notify you in 24 hours. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.